I'm going to pack in as much information in this next few seconds as I can about wedge anchors, concrete anchors, masonry anchors, and mounting into concrete or brick. This is a lag shield, and this is a lead insert. You drill a hole into the concrete or masonry and you put this in. When you screw the screw into it, it flares it out and wedges this, and that's what provides the bite. That's a compression anchor. It's also can be referred to as a wedge anchor, which you might see as a redhead, which has a stud with a little flare on the end. You pound it in the concrete, you pull the nut up and it wedges. Well, what happens is you'll end up with a break like that in your concrete. It'll split it. So to wrap this up in the next few seconds, in an area like this where you're bordering an edge, use this thing. It's called a Tapcon. You drill the hole about 1/16 of an inch smaller, and this drills in and actually bites into the concrete without wedging it out. It prevents blowouts. I use Tapcons for this type.